Hi everyone, today let me show you how to replace brake pads. Let's start after 50,000 kilometers of driving. The brake pads will become puerile and have to be replaced when we observe that their thickness is less than 2. Park the car, just raise the car, take out the anti-theft screws we have on this car, remove the tires. Or yeah, you can see the brakes. Insertion of Mucar VCI fittings. Click on maintenance. Click on brake reset. Wait for diagnostic system to enter. Prompt for access information. Click OK. Select your car model. Prompt switch on the ignition. Click OK. Prompt for VIN code. Click OK. Prompt brake pad change. Click OK. Select your car model. Click on 3 brake electronics eyes. Click on open rear brake calipers. Prompt open rear brake calipers. Click OK. Unscrew the screws. Take off the brake pads. When replacing the rear brake pads with the electronic handbrake, you have to use the equipment to retract the screw before you can use the tool to press the piston back. After replacing the brake pads, click on close rear brake calipers. Prompt close rear brake calipers. Click on OK. After replacing the brake pads and installing the calipers, the equipment should be used to push out the screw and the piston at the same time. The whole process of replacing the brake pads is completed